Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're doing a simple, easy recipe on how to make smashed potatoes. This is such a simple recipe, it won't be a long video, but I thought it was worth sharing. So y'all come on and let's get started on our smashed potatoes. If you look up this recipe, some people call them broke potatoes, some people call them smashed potatoes, some people call them crushed potatoes. Whatever you call them, they're good. And I wanted to share this quick, easy, simple recipe with y'all. So let's turn around here and I'm going to show you what we're putting on ours. Potatoes are all different. And whatever you like on yours, you might want to add something different. We're sort of doing these like baked potatoes. So that's the kind of toppings I'm using today. You can use whatever toppings your family likes. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, this is what you're going to need for your smashed broken potatoes. You're going to be needing your potatoes, yellow or reds, and even white potatoes will work for this recipe. You'll need some butter, some cheddar cheese, some bacon bits, sour cream to top them with, and we're going to be using chives, salt, and pepper on ours. Whatever toppings you like, you may want to change it up some. But we're just going to show you how to get these ready to get them in the pan and make them ever how you like your recipe. You can add anything you like to these. Let's get started. First thing you'll do is just wash your potatoes real good under warm water. And make sure you don't have any bad spots on them. If you do, you can cut them off. And now we're just going to put enough water in this pan to cover the top of the potatoes. We're going to boil them before we put them in the oven and bake them. Now that we have our potatoes cleaned, we put the water just right above the potatoes. That's all you have to have. We're going to turn them on a medium-high. And we'll let them come to a good boil, and we're just wanting to get them just tender enough to poke a little knife in them. They don't have to be done all the way because we're going to bake them too. But we're wanting to get them just fork tender. And now that we've got our pan sprayed, I'm going to cut up me 6 cubes of butter. We'll go ahead and use this too. We'll just go ahead and cut it all up, and we'll probably use it because a little butter makes everything better. Butter ain't gonna hurt you. We grate our own cheese. It's better, and it's better for you. And it helps you save money also, grating your own cheese. We'll be using our bacon bits. Not quite ready yet, but they're almost there. They've got to be soft enough that you can break them with a cup or whatever you decide to use to smash them with. Okay, now the knife goes in it easy. So we're going to drain this water off of them and let them cool. Go ahead now and preheat your oven to 350. Okay, we're going to go ahead now and get our potatoes out and line them up on this baking sheet. We'll move this. Okay, now that you've got them on your baking sheet, you're going to take some kind of heavy glass or whatever you've got to use that will smash them good. So we're going to use this measuring cup, and I'm just going to take it and put it on the potato and just push down. Okay, and we'll do the other one the same way. See how it just smashes? And if some of it falls to the side, just sort of put it back in a little circle. But you're just going to take your cup. That's why you have to get them fork tender. That way you can be able to smash the potato down. Well, that one's stuck. Just put it back on there. Okay, now that we've got them smashed, this is what we're going to add to the top. Okay, our oven's preheated. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drizzle just a tiny drizzle of olive oil on each potato. Not much at all, because we're going to still put our butter on it. Okay, to start with, we're going to put our softened butter that we get room temperature. But first, we're going to go ahead and coat each potato with some salt and our black pepper. And now we'll put our dab of butter on each potato. And my butter is already softened, so it's not going to take much for it to start melting. So I've got to work fast because these potatoes are hot. See how the butter's already melting? So now we're going to put our cheese on each potato. Oh, there went my butter. That cheese will help hold my butter on. Just cover each potato with the cheddar cheese. Butter and cheddar cheese makes everything better, y'all. If your kids don't like potatoes, I bet they'll like it this way. And now we're just going to add some bacon bits to the top. To each one. And these right here are the real bacon bits that Travis gets. We get them at Sam's. We like the real bacon bits. And now I'm going to take it and I'm going to cover them with some chives. And we'll just sprinkle each one with a little chives. And that green makes it pretty. Now we're going to place them in the oven on 350 for around 20 minutes, just until that cheese has coated and melted on your potatoes. And after we get them done, we'll add a dollop of sour cream to the top. You're gonna love these smashed broken potatoes. We're going to service up one of those. While they're still good and hot. Y'all look at that potato, how pretty that potato is, even though we smashed it. Now let's add us some sour cream. Travis is gonna like these, y'all. I hope y'all give this a try. Simple and easy potato recipe. That's good, y'all. Simple and easy. Dinner on the table in less than 30 minutes. Okay, everybody, that's our video on broken smashed potatoes. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, and share our videos. Thanks for watching.